Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my dear students of class 8. As we know that we are going to end this chapter, today we'll conclude it. What happened? Finally Ernest got that person who resembles like great stone face. As we know that the rumors which spread by the people about the Gator Gold, it was false only. That Gator Gold just died over there with his wealth. But he would not just resembles with the great stone face. We have seen that. So Gator Gold was not a person who looked like the great stone face. Now what happened? Another incident also happened in that valley. What was the situation and condition happened with the Ernest and little boy? We'll see in this explanation. See. It so happened that another son of the valley had become a soldier many years before. After a great deal of hard fighting, he was now a famous commander. दूसरा वहाँ पे rumors, वहाँ पे people just spread out. What? Another person who came, who was also belong to this valley, and he become a great, we can say, the famous commander in his life. When he was just a little child, that famous person who was living in this valley, that time he was ordinary person. But when that person left this valley, he settled in his life and became a great, we can say, famous commander. He was known on the battlefield by the name of Blood and Thunder. Students, वो जो पर्सन था जो वो वैली छोड़कर एक कमांडर बन गया था, उसके बैटलफील्ड के लिए वो एक बहुत बड़ा योद्धा था, एक बहुत बड़ा, we can say he was the great commander, and that's why the people gave him a name as a Blood and Thunder. उनका नाम क्या रखा था? Blood और Thunder उसका नाम था. अब देखो क्या हुआ. An old tired now, वो जो Blood and Thunder नाम का जो पर्सन है वो अब ओल्ड हो गया था, बहुत ज्यादा उसकी एज हो गई थी. He had lately expressed a desire to return to his valley now. अब वो जब ओल्ड हो गया, उसकी उम्र हो गई, so he expressed his desire to go back again in his valley, in his house, in his hometown, we can say. उन्होंने डिजायर है कि ये जो लास्ट एजेस है मेरे जर्नी के, मेरी लाइफ के, मैं कहाँ बिताना चाहता हूँ? मेरी वैली में, मेरे होम टाउन में. The inhabitants, his old neighbors and their grown-up children, they here see the inhabitants. वो जो वैली के रेसिडेंशियल पर्सन है, his own neighbors and their grown-up children prepared welcome the renowned commander. What do you mean by renowned? Renowned means famous. जो वैली के लोग हैं जो उनको पहचानते थे, the people of that valley, and also here it's given his neighbor, उनके जो neighbor है, and also grown-up children, उनके खुद के बच्चे, they were preparing to take him back in this valley. So उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा ऐसा एक फंक्शन रखा गया कि कैसे उनको वेलकम करें ये वैली में, क्योंकि he belonged to, he was the great commander, that's why he had given his contribution to the nation also. So it means here this person is not a common man, he was we can say the great or famous commander. It was being so said, at last likeness of the great stone face had actually appeared. जब ये ब्लड और एंड थंडर नाम का जो पर्सन है जब वैली में आ रहा है तो लोगों को क्या लगा? Again the people spread these rumors in all whole around the valley that person finally came in our valley and who just looked like the great stone face. गेदर गोल की तरह यहाँ पे ब्लड और थंडर को भी कंपेयर करने लगे एंड उनके लिए भी र्यूमर्स फैलाने लगे कि यस ये जो पर्सन है वो किसकी तरह दिखते हैं? अ ग्रेट स्टोन फेस. Therefore was the excitement throughout the valley, and many people who had never once thought of glancing at the great stone face now spent much time in gazing at it for the sake of knowing exactly how general Blood and Thunder looked. See students, here what happened was the great stone face. It was the great excitement. Look, people who were living in that valley, they were very excited to see. उनका काम छोड़कर वो कहाँ जाके बैठ गए? They all sat in front of the great stone face. They all were waiting for that person, Blood and Thunder. वो person कब आएगा? उनको हम देखेंगे. Really, this person is look like the great stone face. The people eagerly wanted to know this. This happened, students. See, again another incident happened. Ernest also just become very aware about this matter, and we can say that, students, this blood and thunder really he resembles with the great stone face. What happened? We'll see further in the next paragraph. See. Next, on the day of the generals arrived, वो दिन आ गया. ब्लड एंड थंडर नाम का जो पर्सन है, जो जनरल है, वो ये गांव में, ये वैली में आ गया. अब क्या हुआ? Ernest and all the other people of the valley left their work and proceeded to the spot where a great banquet had been prepared. Soldiers stood on guard, flags waved, and the crowd roared. वो दिन आ गया. Ernest and all the people of that valley, they just left their work. खुद का काम छोड़कर वो कहाँ चले गए? वो ग्रेट स्टोन फेस है वहाँ पे, और वो जो पर्सन आ रहा था, जो फंक्शन रखा था, वो पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, he went on that place and they just said there they were preparing feast. लोगों को लिए वहाँ पे खाना बनाया गया. लोग वहाँ पे वेट करने लगे किसकी? ब्लड एंड थंडर की. Then all people were shouting there, blood and thunder will come, blood and thunder will come. Who look like the great stone face? यही एक पर्सन है उनके लिए. यहाँ पे we can say that people started to roar about that person. उनका नाम ले लेकर वो चिल्ला रहे थे वहाँ पे. देखो, Ernest was standing too far back to see blood and thunder's face. However, he could hear several voices. वहाँ पे हमारा ये बच्चा, when he was now a young little child, not he was a young boy, so he would also there. He was also standing out of from that particular place. वो फंक्शन से बहुत दूर खड़ा हुआ था. वो ये सब कुछ देख रहा था. क्यों वो वहाँ पे खड़ा था? He also wanted to see the face of blood and thunder, and he could hear several voices. लोग चिल्ला रहे थे वहाँ पे. देखो कि ये पर्सन है. People यहाँ पे here see what happened. Stood guard, flags waved, and the crowd roared. वहाँ पे flags उनके लिए दिखाया गया. गार्ड वहाँ पे खड़े रखे गए. खाना बना गया. The people were shouting. See what they were shouting? This blood and thunder resembles the stone face. See here, this all things happen. Guard, security बुलाई गई. उनका गार्ड आया वहाँ पे. वो जो ब्लड और थंडर आने वाला था, पूरी वैली के लोगों को वो खिलाने वाले थे खाना. It means it was very huge function they have held over there. See students, this happened. We'll see next. Ernest was also there. He also was waiting to see the face of this blood and thunder. Now see what happened here. Wonderfully like it, that's fact, replied another. अब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे students? See here, this little boy, he was searching blood and thunder, and he wanted to do such things. What were here? Wonderfully lively, thanks, replied another. See, he was waiting. He will come. This person is look like the great stone face. So one person spoke. एक बोला वहाँ पे, yes, this is the blood and thunder who resembles with the great stone face. Another replied that, yes, that's a fact. He look like with the great stone face. And why not? Cried a third. तीसरा भी उसने बोला कि हाँ, whatever you are telling, that is true. This blood and thunder look like the great stone face. He is the greatest man of this valley, and the other is beyond a doubt. So these all things Ernest also was showing over there, and also he was listening that voice, that shouting voice of the people, right, about the blood and thunder. Ernest at last could see the general's face. Finally, Ernest ने blood और thunder का face देखा, and in the same glance to the side, he could also see the great stone face. वो blood और thunder का face देख रहा था. दूसरी तरफ वो किसका face? What he was doing? He was looking towards the great stone. He was comparing these both faces together. See, if there was such a likeness as the crowd proclaimed, हाँ, ये जो लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं कि ब्लड और थंडर, ये जो ग्रेट स्टोन फेस जैसा दिख रहा है. Is it true or not? He was thinking. Who? Ernest. Then Ernest could not recognize it. उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. उनको कोई आइडिया नहीं मिली कि yes, whatever people were shouting here, is it true? No, it's not true. But see, something happened in his heart. That voice, someone is telling something to him. Who? Fear not, Ernest, said his heart, as if the great stone face was whispering to him, fear not, Ernest, he will come. See, as we know that only great stone face, only and only, it only the teacher of Ernest. See, he was talking with him. He was conversing with him. So, that great stone face told him, his heart, from his heart only this voice came. उनके माइंड में बोला कि fear not, ये ब्लड और थंडर ये पर्सन नहीं है जो ग्रेट स्टोन फेस की तरह दिख रहा है, और कोई पर्सन आएगा. Fear not, Ernest, he will come, he will come. This happened. Here we have completed, students, part 1. Now this person came or not? We'll see in the part 2. So we have completed part 1, chapter number 9 here. We'll continue this chapter in the next video. So students, part 2 is remaining only. We'll finish it afterward. We'll start the revision. So students, we have completed here. We have concluded here this chapter with this explanation. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.